So after about 3 times moving all our junk in and out, we finally got a spot. So we're here, we're about to walk to the driver's meeting. Met a couple fans, that's pretty awesome, but let's go to the driver's meeting and see what this day is gonna hold for us. First session's about to start for Rodell, so good luck to him.
Thanks.
8:30 for him, 8:50 for me. What are you aiming for today, Rodell?
Bypass supposedly today. The last time I was here was 210. I'm aiming for 208. We'll see.
So you heard it there first. 208 for Rodell. I'm shooting for below 210. That's the goal, but the main goal, as always, is get the car home. So we'll see. First session went well. Forgot to turn on the timer, but whatever. Overall, the car felt really good, really solid. Rodell, what about you?
Car did good. 209, first time out. We'll see if we can do 208 later today.
So next session out, Rodell will ride with me, and fingers crossed we get below a 210. 210.
Third.
turn in. Beat the throttle a little bit. Go, go, go. Straight, turn in. Throttle, throttle. Out, 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 out. Keep going, ease off. No brakes. Oh, what happened? Careful. But you're in control.
Yeah.
You're not slipping like, holy crap, we're losing control. Go
So, thanks to this guy, I'm not going to show you. Look, the camera's so big right now, the lens I have on here. Thanks to this guy, we ran a 206. That's my new personal best ever here at this track, a 206. I have to look exactly, but you'll see that footage shortly. I'll throw like snippets of it up and we'll talk about it then. But yeah, definitely 206 was really good. The suspension is definitely, I'm out driving the suspension as Rodell says. So it is what it is, but that was really tiring. And yeah, super stoked. We are done here. It's actually starting to rain. Finished once again with the 206.18 and then consistently ran 206s, or not 206s, 207s, 208s and stuff like that. So getting that benchmark made and then we'll improve from there. Suspension definitely is something that needs to be fixed, but car ran really well and now we got about 3-hour drive home. If I think of anything else on the way home and what I need to talk about, I will. But that was a super fun day. A lot of battles going on, a lot of driving, and pretty good actually, pretty good day. You enjoy it?
It was a good day. Clint did a good job. My car did good. And forgive my excitement on the video. You'll see it. I'm just really excited because this guy is doing well. So
All right, guys, take care.